All right, so I was browsing through Adidas website, found a pair of sneakers that I didn't see before, and I was actually really impressed with what I saw in pictures, but the price point was crazy. So this is the Forum Premier, and the price point was $200 for a pair of these. If you guys know, Forum is usually about a $90 or $100 pair of sneakers at base. So I saw the premium materials of this shoe, and I wanted to get them in hand and on feet and just see if it was worth the $200 for these shoes. And here is the product right here. So this is a colorway that I chose. They had two different colorways, one in cream and then one in kind of a blackish sort of coal color. But I opted to get this colorway in hand, and I got to tell you guys, man, the quality of this looks crazy. $200 is definitely a chunk of change, but if you want a really crazy premium pair of Adidas sneakers, especially if you're a fan of the Adidas forums, then stay tuned and check out this video. Hey, what is going on, guys? Hes here. Hopefully you're having a good day out there. Thank you guys for stopping by and watching. If you guys are new to my channel and you guys enjoy sneakers as much as I do, please consider subscribing. If you guys want to buy a pair of these, check the link in the description. It'll take you over to Adidas website and you guys can buy your own. They're $200, like I said, so they're kind of steep, and they were on sale. The sale just ended for 30% off of these, which I'm so bummed that if you guys missed it, because I was trying to post it out there. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, Twitter, or follow my website, Collective Kicks, make sure you're following all of those things because I posted them available as soon as I saw them on discount. Unfortunately, it was a sale that happened in front of my video on the shoes. So next time they come around for sale, I will be posting them again because this is one of those shoes that the price went at $200. You get what you pay for. It's a really nice premium pair of sneakers, very heavy. It's like almost like a sneaker boot because of the midsole of here, different than the regular pairs. But if you can get it for less than that, obviously that's a deal as well. But we have the Forum Premier, and I just gotta say, man, the build quality of this shoe is unbelievably nice. Also, I like that there's very, very subtle branding on the shoe. It almost looks like a designer sneaker because there's no Adidas 3 stripes on the side or anything like that. It's just a well-done pair of sneakers. So a little bit more information about the shoe. This is the off-white clear gray chalk white colorway. Again, $200. If you're more into the core black colorway, that is the other option out there. I would say that they do fit true to size, although everybody's opinion is different. I personally like a little extra room, so my true to size may run a half size big on you, depending if your foot is really narrow or not. Forum Premier shoes, an icon reimagined, all while staying true to the original sneakers. The Adidas Forum shoes were an icon from the start. Here we continue the legacy while deconstructing the legendary look and build it back up with premium materials and a new perspective. Less support, more sophistication, the signature details remain, from the X detail to the ankle strap. Features leather upper, leather lining, rubber outsole. And from the reviews, it says that the sizing was perfect, width was perfect, so true to size it looks like for that. So they have a very sneaker boot feel to these things because they are very heavy. This midsole is straight up rubber. The leather liner of the shoe, the leather up of the shoe is crazy. It has a rubberized guard back here for the heel of the shoe. Again, it's like a totally reimagined version of the Adidas Forum. Like a ground up build, really. Like if I had to nitpick a little bit, the only thing I wish they would have done is included different colored laces. Not that I don't like the gray laces, but they are gray. The rest of the upper is kind of like the chalk cream. So it would have been really nice to have like a waxed set of cream laces or whatever in here as well. The other thing that I'm looking at this shoe and thinking like this would be a really nice candidate for like a nice dip dye. Now I don't want to do it personally because I don't want to ruin them, but I could see this being a really dope shoe that you could do like an ombre effect on and really have a nice dye because of all the leather of the upper. It's such a nice shoe though, I really don't want to do it, but it's something that if the right colors come along, it's something I might consider doing because I know the leather will absorb right and I could just tape off the rubber outsole. The leather strap on the upper is really nice. I like to personally just wear it with this off, and I don't like it when it's cinched down super tight, so I just wear it casually like that and it actually worked just fine. I do like the two tones of leather on the upper as well. So around the toe guard of the shoe and then up through the mid panel right here, it's done in one style of leather. And then the perforation holes up here on the toe and then up through the laces and around the collar. And that is done in a different leather, but it's a really thick cut. You can see right here on the seams of the shoe. And then also you have a third color of leather across the heel of the shoe. So there's like 3 different colors of leather, even though it looks like pretty much the same color. And they all just kind of combine and come together perfectly. That with the eggshell, like off-white midsole, and then again, the rubberized material around the collar. It has a bunch of different colors. that very much complement each other. You do have an Adidas trefoil logo on the tongue, and again, a leather liner on this thing, so very raw edged, nice leather materials on here. And it's definitely a premium product from Adidas, and I can see why they put down the $200 price tag on these. It might be too expensive though for some people's taste. They do have other models of the Adidas form that I'll link in the description as well. If you want more baseline model, you can get a base model for like $90, $100. Or you can get the premium versions for up to $200 now, which this thing definitely delivered. The baseline models don't have very good leather on them. They're just basic leather for the price point, but you're also paying half the price point. And if you like the iconic look of the original one, that might be a better way for you to go as well. Ultimately, for me, I like to be able to have both. So you can get a low top or a mid top version of the original ones. You can get this version of the premium ones. I personally just like to have the variety of different options out there, and this one definitely is a premium option. Now, if the price point is a little bit too much for you guys, again, I will try to link them next time they go on sale. So follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Collective Kicks, always in the description of the videos. But if you guys want to shop these or any other Adidas Forum shoes, check the link in the description. It'll take you over to the Adidas site. And if you guys use my link specifically, I actually do get a kickback from Adidas, and it lets them know that you guys mess with the channel and you guys support the channel as well. It means a lot when you guys do that, so always appreciate when you guys use my links. But hopefully you guys found this video somewhat informative. If you guys are interested in the product like myself, and now that I've had them in hand, I can definitely say that it is an elevated product for sure for what you get comparison to the normal products. But the price point is definitely still high at $200. But that being said, like a pair of Jordans that are $200, like versus this, the quality of this is like tenfold better than what you'll get on a pair of regular Jordans. I'm just throwing it out there as an alternative. So sometimes it's not about the hype. If you like quality, like this is another option for you guys that want something quality on your feet. But that is the end of the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. And if you guys are new to the channel, again, subscribe. If you guys like the content, please drop a like. And hopefully we'll see you guys back on the channel soon for some more videos. All right, peace, guys.